So, welcome to all the E-Type club members and E-Type Jaguar enthusiasts. That's how it sounds. This is the Classic Fabs exhaust system. Absolutely beautiful to fit, and the clamps, everything is so well made. Beautiful exhaust system. It's probably the easiest thing I've ever fitted in I don't know, 45, 48 years I've been doing mechanical work. Classic Fabs up in Scotland. Jimmy Stewart's the guy's name. Anyway, so that's the engine running. It's getting better every day, so hopefully by the time I get the car back in a month or so, I can start thinking about fitting it in. Looking on Dave Jaguar 66 for an update. Bye.